everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Dam, which is from SB19, Dam, The Making Character Styling. Ito din yung isa sa mga nagpamangha talaga sa atin or sa akin talaga when I watched the said music video of Dam. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng styling nila. Sobra. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
Gustong mangyari, alam mo yung hinihingi.
Ganun lang.
Ay,
Dumulas na nga. Ala.
Ay, si Ja. Baby talaga si Ja, no? Ja is such a baby.
Of SB19. I wanna give value.
Oh, this is
to
the biggest
something
comeback.
I know mahalaga sa boys. Yung Team Rain XM has always been very supportive of the SB19 related projects.
True.
Kinonta ko agad yung mga trusted designers natin, yung mga suppliers natin. Team Francis Liberan, Team Eric Beltran. Minessage ko
Taray.
sila. Ang daming taong
Si Joshi.
nagsanib puwersa. Okay, I always ask for feedback. For instance, si Stel.
so much to talk about.
At tapusin muna natin ang art.
Yeah. Pero kailangan magaang, nasasayaw,
Stel.
naka-acting.
Francis
Actually,
Libiran pala?
ganun yung requirement.
Taray.
Parang ito.
Okay, nanalo yung gusto.
Nanalo yung gusto.
Kung magkikape tayo, i-full na natin po. Ngayon ko lang na.
Sige,
okay lang.
Ay, hands-on din pala pa. Ang, okay sila, hands-on talaga pala sila, no?
Derek thought of using PET bottles ng mineral water to
bakit
create
blurred?
an ice-like effect. Pumartner siya kay Sandino Martin, isang artist. Art dapat
Ay,
atake.
bongga
Diba?
art
Since
nga.
It's part of the brand Bible.
Yun yung magaan kasi.
True.
Na, hindi, mahirap gumamit ng glass kasi mabigat siya.
At saka parang
acrylic.
Ay, ang bongga.
Oo, so kailangan may gaang talaga siya.
Ano ka naman, galaw?
Same thing with the black version. If you look at it closely, napag-usapan namin, yung parang tumutulong oil. Ang ganda nung nabuo na texture nung ganong practice. And most of all, nakasayaw si Stel, naka-acting siya, nakahiga siya sa nagawa niya lahat yung gusto niyang gawin.
Yun nga, halimbawa, naka-zoom kasi siya. At least kapag mas malapit yung camera, kita din yung lalim.
Malabo. May puti. Pero yung isa hindi talaga makakita. Wala, hindi ko nakikita kayo magja-judge. Sobrang dumi ng tenga. Nilupa.
Nilupa. Gwapo ni Ja.
Na ginawa nila Francis, parang I like that it is strategically placed. Kailangan niya magmukhang scholar. Naglagay kami ng parang mga tassel ng toga. Yung
Yung ginagana, yung nililipat, pang-bowl ng protein.
Yes. Para, halimbawa may action siya na ganyan, may tassel-tassel dito. For that scholar, si Justin, super clear siya sa directions na binigay niya sa akin.
Mas texture, ay parang mas ganito po siguro. Ano ba?
Magaspang.
Parang feel ko po kasi sa tela po nito, medyo modern yung vibe po. So,
Gusto mo magkaroon siya ng old feel.
Yung mga leaves nung damit ni Justin were also made out of PET bottles. They painted each and every single leaf. Meron siyang requirement na kailangan may mata yung likod nung damit niya.
Diba?
Ang ginawa lang namin, yung cape, doon namin nilagay yung mata.
Oo, dito sa pinaka-back. Because yun ang
Maka-highlight mo
makikita agad.
Sabi ko, paano natin aatahihin yung beadwork nito? Kailangan may iba. Hindi siya pwede magmukhang beadwork ng bridal gown. Oo, feeling ko dapat hindi beads.
Baka may
Ganda.
Parang kung pwede
Ang talino ng gumawa.
I really like it because it felt so organic. The vines were sprawling around Justin's body.
Ay,
It was
around
thoughtfully
Justin's
done as
body.
well.
I love that.
Wala naman po. Comfy naman siya.
Ang ganda ng fabric.
Ito pa ng mga... Oh, true. I was about to tell that. Or to say that. Ang ganda ng fabric.
And it looks so expensive. Yung mga na-challenge ako, yung kay Pablo.
Ay, bakit?
Parang pinakamatapang na
Kailan?
may feeling mo.
Oo.
Kasi yung character ko Wolf King eh, pero
Wolf! Oo nga pala. Para siyang Wolf King.
Wolf
He needed to
King.
look like a warrior na may pinagdaanan na. So the challenge for us really was, how do we make the costume look as real as possible na yung mga sugat, yung mga punit, parang we wanted it to look and feel natural. At yung pinagdaanan niya, it should be executed na mukhang may pinagdaanan talaga siya more than we put elements. Pinaghihila siya to create that natural tattered effect.
Ay, bakit nag-hang tayo for today's video? Wait.
Meron pang team na pumunta abroad to buy the raw materials for that, just to achieve
Talay.
that natural
Kinastusan pala
finish.
talaga nila, no?
And nung na-finish na yung outfit ni Pablo, ang ganda-ganda niya. Mukha talaga siyang parang from that era. And si Sandino, he had an idea na parang lagyan si Pablo ng parang nakapoke na arrow doon sa may shield niya.
hindi siya natatanggal. Permanent na siya. Permanent na print. Ay, acrylic costume.
It felt natural and it felt like it was really part of the narrative na may pinagdaanan siya. Yung beadwork na nandoon sa OB belt ni Pablo,
Gwapo ni Pablo!
shaped like a wolf.
Gwapo ni Pabi. Oh! Hala. Joshi!
Kay Josh, nahirapan din ako kasi again, ano siya, parang God of Thunder.
God of
lightning.
Thunder. Okay.
How do I communicate that? Hindi kay Agnes. Sabi ko yung gloves mo, matatapos siya at some point na maganda na haluan siya ng prosthetics. Para mukhang na-Agnes talaga yung... Hindi na siya gloves na ginano na mukhang decaying.
Parang siyang body part.
Oo, magtutuloy siya talaga to prosthetic. Parang nakuryente ng copper wire, nasunog.
I love it na kuryente sa copper wire.
Ba siya? Itong buong laylayan. Bronze na siya.
Oo, para doon din yung makommunicate din yung decay.
Ia-agnas din ata nila yung mukha.
Yung face mo.
Kung po, pwedeng nakaharang na. Para kumari, so, kung umpisa man, hindi agad makikita na agnas yung mukha. Pwede-
Lumutong yung damit. Yung we wanted to get that feel. So sila Neric painted that and used copper foil.
Copper foil. Grabe. Ang dami nilang ano.
To achieve that natural finish. Even the gloves.
Wala ako.
Gwapo ni Joshi, no? Ay!
I wanted it
Ay!
to function.
Sana
Hindi ko
all!
yung gloves na parang sinuot.
Sana
Hindi
all.
ko doon sa gumagawa. Gusto ko, bawat finger, pag
Bawat finger.
ginanon mo siya. Kasi si Josh, mahilig siyang maggawa ng action
Facial
sa
expression.
face niya.
Oo,
Using
facial
his
expression.
hands.
I couldn't
Joint
agree
per
more.
joint,
Which is
layer
true.
per layer.
Mahilig
Hindi
talaga
siya
siya.
yun. Kaya na
Ganon.
nagkasugat na yung kamay ni Josh, yung I'm glad he was a trooper, the foil
Gwapo.
treatment done by
Oh my God, ang
Francis
gwapo
doon
niya pag
sa
yung buhok
navy
niya.
blue suit.
Ay, baby
was
ka pa
really
talaga.
nice. I love how he translated it in the form of streaks and parang paint treatment.
Paint
Sa
treatment.
medyo mahirap, yung kay Ken, kasi parang it was inspired by a crow. So siya mismo yung nag-sketch nun. And from his sketch, dinevelop namin nila Neric, nila Francis. We were very specific about the kind of leather we use. Gusto namin yung medyo may worn out feels na rin, yung mukhang may
Grabe.
pinagdaanan ang
Dear,
ginamit
so,
na.
so ano pa lang nila?
Na maroon.
Sa styling pa lang nila, gastos na talaga yan. Magkano pa yung ginastos nila, no?
Diba?
Pwede naman.
Pero ang base niya kasi pag
We like to place details na parang may mga kalmot ng crow doon sa cape niya.
Oh.
From a bird, naging tao siya. For it to look like
Ayan, may
as
mga
if it
kalmot
was
nga, oh.
inspired by royalty and hindi siya inspired by some Eastern influence fashion. So they went for shape, structure, yung cutting. Kahit na iba-iba sila na colors, it felt
Uniform.
cohesive. Para silang iisa pa rin. Iba-iba siya.
true.
Iba-iba yung suot
True.
nila. Pero together, parang they
Oh my God.
came from the same era. They came from the same collection.
Oo.
And that was all intentional. Hindi naman po yun nangyari basta-basta. Next look naman natin is yung mga robes. Ang gusto nila doon medyo parang dune, sand dunes, inspired by the desert. Itodo na natin. So we did it using patchwork. The patterns were made one by one. It was stitched together, ginupit isa-isa ng squares using different fabrics. I wanted it to flow as well. So imagine doing it times 5. I really love how it turned out. Especially the part nung naging bato na sila, naging statues na sila. We did a good job. Yung, hey, this is
Actually,
about na-achieve
true.
namin yung goal.
True.
Siyempre,
Na-achieve
tayo sa
talaga.
Sigawan. Kailangan. Ang number one criteria is A, maisasayaw. Yung how do I make an outfit look dynamic? Sa lahat ng outfit na binuo, dito kami natagalan. Because we want to
Dapat
be as
comfortable.
faithful to the era they were in. We really studied eras during the medieval times.
Parang medieval talaga, oh.
So, ang ganda ng textures niya kasi patchwork yung... So, kamagaan, di ba?
Ate, picture may pang-poster ko niya. Ito sa gulo yung
Gwapo ni Stel.
Gusto namin yung mukhang yung chainmail na ano, pero paano nila maisasayaw yung chainmail? Thankful ako that we decided to source abroad. And I was so happy that when I saw them dancing, ang ganda. Parang sulit yung pagod. And
True.
the black and maroon treatment, that was a request from the boys. They really wanted that color.
Sa kanila pala yun.
For 16 years in the industry, I will really consider it as one of the most difficult projects we've ever tackled. I want it to be seen. I want it to be felt by the five senses.
Ganda.
That would last forever. A legacy. I am proud of my team. You create a fantasy.
Indeed.
You create a
Totoo.
storyline. You create an aspiration.
Totoo.
We went all out for this.
Ganda.
I wanted to give
In
value to
fairness.
the vision of the world because I know this is important to them.
Hey! Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the making character styling. Ang ganda. Maganda siya. This is KG Vlogs and see you in my next. Diyos ko, dun palang gastos na. Malala. Totoo lang.